I don't want to go to school today. So I'm going to make a video at school. Right after I show you one new Pokemon card that I got. And just I don't know about that I had. Because I couldn't find them. You know I have Dialga. You know, I didn't know I had this one. You know I had that. You knew I had that. You knew I had that. You didn't know I had this. You didn't know. You didn't know. You didn't know. You didn't know. You didn't. I'm gonna have to clean up this mess afterwards. It's all your guys' fault because you guys wanted to see them. One request will be answered and I will mail it to you. Just tell me your PO box. Look at this mess you're making me make. You guys are the ones I wanted to see. You guys are gonna have to help me now. I just called the audience poopy butts for accident. Dirty Caballero is